Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the Alpina B12 model, which is based on a BMW 850i platform. This model is made by Solido and it's metallic and has the function of opening doors. Steering is functional, and also we have the headlights that are also functional. Let's start in the front. As I mentioned, the headlights open and close, which is a nice feature from Solido. In the front we have the BMW logo, which is very nicely done. We have the B12 5.0 logo there in the front as well. We have the Alpina license plate and Alpina decal. Next, on the side we have those quite nice looking wheels. I don't like the brake disc and brake caliper, which look pretty bad, but I like the fact that Solido made some tire writing on the side of the tire. Have the Pirelli and the tire name. Of course, on the side we have the Alpina logo, which runs from front to the back. In the back we have the Alpina brand written there, the BMW logo in the middle, and the B12 5.0 logo in the right. Also in the front we have the Alpina license plate. In the back we have B12 5.0 logo, and we have those 4 exhaust tips in chrome. A very nice looking back in my opinion. Let's look in the interior. The interior looks pretty nice. We have a lot of details. I have those matching stitches on the middle of the seats. Pretty good interior in my opinion. Let me open this side as well. Very nice looking interior. We have in the center console, I like the fact that we have a lot of details. Also we have a sticker there with the airbag. Overall, I think it's a decent model from Solido, even better than decent. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this model, if you have it in your collection or are going to buy it.